Blackview, one of the pioneers in making rugged phones, is breaking out of conventional phone design with the launch of the BL9000 model with unique dual-screen design that allows users to experience the high-speed 5G networks. Blackview BL9000 is distinguished with its design with the two screens. In addition to showing the time, the second screen also serves as a music player, step counter, time display, compass and camera. It also brings a 6.78-inch screen with a resolution of 2.4K with a refresh rate of 120Hz. There is also dual smart PA box speakers with the Harman AudioEFX technology with the 5 audio modes. It runs on the MediaTek 5G Dimensity 8012 processor with up to 24GB of RAM and UFS 3.1 512GB ROM, and supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6 for better network connectivity. The BL9000 also brings a triple camera with a 50MP selfie camera, this a 50MP Samsung rear camera with anti-shake OIS, and a 30MP wide angle and a macro for shooting at the distance of 2 cm. Not only it's designed to be tough with the aluminum frame and reinforced rubber corners, it also certified to offer a series of military tests such as a MIL-STD 810H and IP68 IP69K ratings. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 7. Blackview BL9000 will be launched at a special price with an attractive 50% discount from January 17 to January 19. Hurry up, the first 5,000 customers will receive an additional offer. But that's not all. Blackview is back again and brought us a new smartwatch called the Blackview W50. The wearable is a fitness tracker watch that comes with a circular shape with a 1.39-inch large IPS screen and equipped with several features including heart rate monitor, ASPO2 blood oxygen monitor, stress monitor, 100 sports modes, 1 ITM waterproof, and support Bluetooth calling and a lot more. As you can see, the new Blackview W50 watch got a circular design that looks stylish, rugged and fits men and women. This smartwatch has a 350 mAh battery capacity with 5 to 7 days of normal usage and 30 days of standby time, and it comes in 3 color variants. Be sure to visit the sales links and buy yourself a new Blackview products now while there is a chance and while the promotional prices are available. It would be shame to miss it. That will be all for today. See you soon in the next video. Bye.